Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading. Yesterday I made a very important announcement, which I'm going to explain here. And based on this information, you have to act immediately. Yesterday I announced to subscribers that I reduced significantly my position in one company, and the objective was to not only to obviously lock an important profit, but rotating capital into a new stock pick, one of my priorities on the short side for the course of 2019. I announced it to subscribers to the plan AI Bot 5 Plus, but this pick my priority for 2019 on the short side, or one of my priorities, where I placed a relatively large short position to start with. It is available in several plans, and this for small investors. Therefore, we are giving the opportunity for everyone to participate. Firstly, it is available, or it was made immediately available in real time to subscribers to Bot Zero, namely AI Bot Zero. Since of last year, 2018, September, we no longer have bot plans. All the plans going forward since then, they have access to AI data. So the new AI Trading Bot Zero, as well as the new AI Trading Bot 1, they got access to this pick. Having said this, since we also have, and recently, more subscribers to a plan which name is Fast Money, we are also giving the opportunity for those that they subscribe to Fast Money, and I'm referring only to the recent ones. You may change your plan to continue, therefore, as a subscriber to Fast Money, to have access to this new pick. To give you an idea of the importance of this new pick, or this forecast for the course of 2019, I'm going to refer here to a clear example made available to subscribers where they made a fortune on the short side. I'm referring to the opportunity and my trade alert on Hertz to sell short the stock at a price of $21.35. The share price crashed down to $13. And during this crash process, subscribers to these plans like Fast Money and many others that they had access to this forecast, they made a lot of money. So as of today, many subscribers to these plans, they upgraded meanwhile, but I'm referring to this opportunity as a comparison to the new stock pick that I made available as of yesterday, okay? And this during market hours in real time. So if you are interested in, as an existing subscriber, you have different options. If you are a subscriber to Fast Money, you can upgrade for free. In the end, the upgrade is just to change the stock where today you are involved in. As a subscriber to AI Trading Bot Zero or AI Trading Bot 1, you already have access to it. And if you are a subscriber, for example, to AI Trading Bot 5 or 5 Plus or whatever, you can contact us and to buy the forecast itself, okay? Or eventually, if you are interested, you also can subscribe, as we have the case of many people, to Fast Money, Okay, so for example, we have subscribers to AI Trading Bot 5 Plus, but they also subscribe to Fast Money. So it is up to you. For those that they are non-subscribers, you have the option to choose between AI Trading Bot 0, AI Trading Bot 1, or Fast Money. It is up to you. The prices that you have on the website are the best price during the course of 2019. And with this, I terminate. I wish you a wonderful year 2019.